Okay, let's talk about sprinklers. Do you have a zone of sprinklers that's not turning on? Chances are it's a pretty simple fix, so let's talk about how you can do it yourself. Okay, so pay attention to which area is not coming on. You want to go around your yard and find these green valve boxes. Each one of these valves is controlling its own zone, its own sprinkler station. So you're going to want to turn these by hand until you hear the water run. Turn them until it turns on the zone that you are having issues with. All we're doing here is trying to locate which valve we need to do work on. Now you found the actual valve we need to work on, it's now time to go ahead and shut the water off to the system. This is not just turning the timer off, but the actual water valve. Okay, now that you've got the water off, you're going to want to unscrew this piece. This piece is called a solenoid. It'll have two wires coming off the top. Chances are all you need to do is replace this. So like I said, make sure the water's off, unscrew this, snag a picture of how the wires are. Likely one of these wires is going to go to a common wire. All the valves in that box do. Usually it's white. The other wire is going to go to a colored wire for the zone. Now that you have the solenoid and it's taken off the wires, take this to a specialty sprinkler store. They should have no problem getting you a new one. After that, screw the new solenoid back on the valve. Like I said, hand tight. Do not over tighten this with tools. Hand tight. Put these wires exactly the way they were before. Go ahead and turn the water on slowly. Take a couple of seconds to turn that valve. Come on back, make sure nothing is leaking in the box, and then just double check through your sprinkler timer. Chances are it should be working just fine. If it's still not working, it's going to be either a wiring issue or a sprinkler timer issue, and it might be time to call a sprinkler repair company. For more helpful tips, go ahead and follow us.